Hi everyone, I've ordered a trolley. Hi everyone, and everyone. Hello, hi everyone. This year I have become. Hi everyone, good day. This is a review and the unboxing of our rabbit stroller which I have ordered. This particular stroller, the stroller that I wanted was not available. It was an auto fold one, but was out of stock forever. So this is next best thing which was suiting my needs. I couldn't find a review out of it or the unboxing out of it just to know what you get. And I'm that type of person who tries to, dig deep before buying. So I'm just trying to help. That's like me. So I just got this today. It's midnight. I know I won't have time tomorrow to do it, so just trying to wait for it. And I'll give you the exact name of what I ordered. Now this took me 4 days to come, and I stay in Bombay. It took me 4 days to come, and I have ordered the Street Smart 360 stroller. Yes, this is a stroller where you just put the leg up and then you can turn to 360, so it can be world facing and parent facing. So let's fairly simple packing. Like the tape looked like it was, like 10 rupees tape. It looked like that. It didn't look like. Anyways, at least it's tape. So here it is. I'll remove the items one at a time and then I'll show you. It's nice, huh? Aww. Street Smart Stroller. I'll put the link below so you can go through it. Installation. Unpack. Lift stroller. Put the wheels. Installation of stroller. 3 steps. Unpack. Lift the stroller. Open it. Put the wheels. So let's remove all these paddings first. Noisy. So 2 wheels are attached. I have to only fit 2 wheels, so I just need to remove this. I think so. I have unpacked. Something is missing. This is supposed to come out. Oh no, here it is. Okay, this I'm opening for the first time. The first time ever I'm opening this stroller. Okay, not bad. It's got the front wheels attached. So the manual says I've got to attach the front wheels, but someone has already attached it. That means I'm guessing it's quality control or someone must have just checked it. Yeah, though there is a way of attaching it and detaching it. Okay. So now I'll just go and attach the wheels. It just has to press and clip in. It's now going to come out. Alright. Just adjust the bed. Okay, so I get it. Now this is the bed that falls. Oh, this is very nice. Get the brakes on for a little more. So the brakes are on now. I'm just seeing the mechanism. I'll try to explain it. Perfect. Okay, so now I'll quickly show you all what I've received. So as the instruction says, you need to unpack. You get all these items, but for me the wheels are already attached. So these two handles, these two wheels are put, lift, attach the wheels, and put your baby and enjoy the stroller. So this is what you get. Now I've turned it facing towards the parent. Okay, so I'll just show you in this video. It's very smooth. I'm already very impressed. It's too smooth, I don't. So I'll just put on the brakes. Okay, so the brakes are only the rear wheels. So this is the canopy. The canopy has a nice click to it, but it's only clicking one side. Why is it not clicking this side? I need to inspect this further because something amiss over here. Anyways, I'll get back to this and I'll keep you updated. So this is the canopy, which opens very nicely. It's supposed to hold this one and not the sunshades. This one. Here's a nice peekaboo thingy where you can see your child, and this is not supposed to be so wrinkled and so cramped up. There is something that is not fit properly, or I must have done properly. I'll just go through the manual again. Then I'll show you this side. This is actually a footrest if it is world facing, and this is a nice little velcro thingy, so there's some breeze, some flow of breeze for the child, and this keeps falling, and this sticks on over here. The second part of the velcro is over, this sticks on over here. This is the headrest. This is to drop the bed. There's a small little plate over here. Oh, here's a nice bottle holder. So I still have to go through all of this. I'm just giving you, nice little. It's got some paddings over here, so you can put relatively stronger, relatively heavier items. This is a clip to clip on when you fold it. I will try to fold it by myself, removing all these paddings. I'll just put my thing on the stand and try to figure it out. Hi, so we're back. So I've completely broken down the stroller. I've got to understand what it is, and so the manual doesn't say that you have to keep the stroller back in parent-facing mode, and then you can fold it. You can fold it in world-facing mode, so but it doesn't fold very compact like this. And secondly, it's a good stroller. First time reviews. I have bought this from the official R Rabbit website. So it was a bit of a hunch purchase, to be really honest, but this stroller is nice on first basis. I've already used it with my child in it, and it's less than 24 hours old. And finish is good. The product is good. We always look into those edges of the plastic, if they're sharp or if there's any pinching points where the child might just put it suddenly and it could just get pinched. So till now I've not found anything. I still have to dive deep into the hinges and all. I kinda like it. The only part that I didn't like about this is that it's only black in color. This is gonna be a solid, like it's already very dark. It's all black, and
there should be some color just to pep it up. Yeah. And yeah, I felt that my box was open and it was tried out. That's what I felt. I don't know from where it came. I got a notifications coming from Delhi, so I don't know, maybe they have tried it out. It's a nice stroller. I got a few, as I said, I still have a few tricks. One of the tricks are always put the brakes whenever you folded it so it doesn't keep running, or turning the seats 360 so you can immediately face your child. But the thing is, you have to do it before you put your child in it. So you either have to make up your mind and do it earlier, because for turning the seat you have to make the legs doesn't have to go down, the legs have to come up all the way, then you can turn the seat. The wheels are pretty good. Yeah, I want you to see how the front wheels are, because these ones have the shock absorbers, per se, but it has some sort of spring action in the front. It's very bare minimum. It's all well oiled. Okay, this is the front wheel. It's really good quality. This is rubber. There's no grooves on it, so if you can see, the springs are in, and this is the pivot point where it pivots. Like, I have to bend it a lot. So this being stuck, the wheels will go up like this, and this small little gap where this will go in, that's the shock absorbing, so it won't take in a huge, those shocks, those bends. There's a small button over here in the front on that side where you can remove it. And it snaps right on. Let me show you. So yeah, I'll open it, okay? This is how it looks when it is assembled and when it is folded. It's completely assembled and folded right now. So this is the holding handle for the child, but this afterwards becomes the holding handle for you for storing it. This takes in so much place. I'll try to measure it. So approximately is taking, so this takes around 16 inches width. I mean, it can cramp it up in 14 inches, but I'm just giving you. And this takes around 20 inches, you could say, yeah, 22, 21 inches. And the height, boxed is, say 30 inches. Okay, so it's clean. This is the R rabbit. Oh, the thing that was very that it wasn't attached. Nothing is broken. It wasn't attached over here. The seat belt is really nice, and I prefer some sort of coloring to make it, a bit more, eye-catching in case there's an emergency and you just want to unclip. So the coloring needs to be addressed over here. It's too black, but it's all right. Okay, so now I'm going to unfold it. Let's see if I can fold it. So how is it here? This is step 1, step 2. Oh, my bad. Before opening it, always remember there's a lock over here. You got to manually unlock it. You got to manually unlock this, and then press it, and then it opens up. Put your leg on the rear wheels, and then lock it. There it's locked. Once it's locked, lift this up from the bottom, and then it opens up like this. And then once you hear that click, open up the canopy. Canopy is open. You can see your child from here. All sound. Okay, so this is the final product. Shoes are not included. I kind of like it. So there's one button over here and there's another button here. You got to press both of them. Then you can turn the seat. Then you can turn the seat 360. Let me try to show it to you in ultra wide. There's this button over here. Lift it up and then you can turn the seat. So let's have it in the front as of now. Okay, this is done. Because I've been wondering, I have so many equipments and I keep purchasing so many things, and like I've seen how many people they give so many reviews. So when I'm starting this thing of giving back to the community by actually giving good reviews, not doing this for any sort of blogging. That's why I'm not putting any time in it. I'm not putting any effort in it. Just simple record, review done, review done. Lightings jo hai, it is there, and yeah, I'm putting it on YouTube. So